Hey guys, so today I tested out 4 different resins. A friend of mine let me borrow some so that I could test them out before committing to a new resin. So I poured out Stone Coat, Craft Coat, E&P, Dr. Crafty, and Paduo. And then I poured each one into a jewelry mold, clear, and then I did a deep set mold with either color or glitter. What I noticed with every single one of these is that the clear mold came out completely clear. There was not a single bubble in that, and that astonished me. I come from using Amazing Clear Cast, and it was just a complete 360 for that one. It was totally different. The only bubbles I got was in the Dr. Crafty and the Wolf mold, but that is a hard to reach area on the ears, and that can be gotten rid of with a toothpick. The other thing with the Dr. Crafty is it's still a little bendy, but I did demold it a little earlier than 24 hours because I'm impatient, so hopefully that'll completely solidify very soon. The Stone Coat Craft Coat is very thick to mix. It definitely gave me an arm workout, but other than that, there's nothing else wrong with it. It's a great resin. For E&P and Paduo, those are my top two. E&P is just a standard resin. There's nothing really special about it. It's just significantly cheaper. Paduo is a really thin brand, and it just mixes super thin, and you have a longer working time. All of these had a much lower odor than Amazing Clear Cast, and that was really nice. In the end, any of these resins will work for basically any use. It just depends on if you want a little bit thinner resin to have a longer working time, or if you want a thicker resin to dome. But overall, all of these resins have a very clear outcome and are low odor and great for regular use. I'll be leaving links in the description for Amazon links so you guys can find these resins yourself, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!